Welcome to our channel. If you need to order a new debit card due to loss, damage, or expiration, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your replacement quickly. Step 1. Log into your bank's online banking platform or mobile app using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Account Services, Card Management, or Customer Service section of the banking interface. Step 3. Select the option to report a lost or stolen card if applicable, or choose Request New Card or Replace Card from the menu. Step 4. Specify the reason for requesting a new card, lost, stolen, damaged, or simply ordering a replacement before expiration. Step 5. If reporting a lost or stolen card, immediately deactivate your old card to prevent unauthorized transactions. The system will do this automatically when you report it. Step 6. Verify your mailing address where the new card should be sent. Update it if you've moved recently to ensure delivery. Step 7. Choose expedited shipping if you need the card urgently and your bank offers this option, though it may involve an additional fee. Step 8. Confirm your order and note any reference number provided. Your new card typically arrives within 7 to 10 business days for standard shipping, or 2 to 3 days for expedited delivery. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.